Hello and welcome to Mint. In this week's edition of Weekly Money Market Roundup, we will discuss why the bond yields have risen and rupee has fallen. I'm joined by my colleague Dinesh Unnikrishnan here, who will tell us what happened to the rupee and bond market this week.
So Anup, we all know that after the December inflation numbers, there was clearly an expectation in the financial markets that RME may go for a soft approach in its monetary stance on 28 next week. But after the Urjit Patel panel report, the belief and the conviction in the financial markets is that probably RBI is more bothered about the consumer inflation, which is, even it has come down slightly, it is still close to the double digits. And they want, if we go by the panel recommendation, they want that to be the primary price indicator. If that is the case, then we are going to enter a high interest rate regime, probably. So markets are probably bracing for high interest. That's probably translating into the currency market. High interest rates are anyway, it's not a growth supportive factor, so probably that is one aspect. Rupee is down, and there are global aspects. If you look at, but again, rupee this week has been probably quite steady, strong, except today, except on Friday. That's because of there was heavy dollar demand from the oil companies towards the end of the trade. Otherwise, rupee has been quite range bound this week, and most of the emerging market currencies were also down. So the currency has tracked that movements. Now, about the bonds, yes, the 10-year yields have risen quite a bit. That's because, like I said before, there is now the expectation is that probably the Reserve Bank will go for a little, tighter approach while it drafts its monetary policy next week. So probably that's why the bond market is, yields are up. Market is waiting for that. But again, the bigger cue will come from next week's policy. As well as the domestic economy is concerned, the markets will get a clearer picture. So that's one thing. And globally, there are again talks about concerns on the taper withdrawing, because there is a steady improvement in the U.S. Economy if we go by the recent indicators, but we don't know how sustainable it is. That's all. These are all factors we should look for next week.
Thanks for that nice explanation, Dinesh. With that, we conclude this week's Money Market Roundup. For more, please log on to www.livemint.com. Thank you very much.